graphing a system of equations. Two equations. So I'm going to press y equals. The first one, I'm going to clear this out. First one is just y equals 4. So I'm pressing 4. I can press graph, and I see that there's a line where 1, 2, 3, 4, y is 4. So on my graph, I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm just going to draw a horizontal line. I can see if I go to second table, every x value has a y value of 4. So every x value has a y value of 4, so I'm going to put a few perfect points, but I'm going to connect my lines with a straight edge. Sorry if this is really loud. I'm using my elevator card here. Okay, great. So that was this first equation here, y equals 4. I'm going to label that. Whenever I have more than one equation or inequality, we need to label them. And I can put arrows on these. As long as it goes to both edges, you'll get full credit. Okay. Next one, I'm going to do this in another color. Our next equation is y equals 1/2 x plus 3. So if I were to do that in the calculator, you could do both at the same time, put it in y2. I like to do them separately. So math fraction, we're doing this one, 1/2 x plus 3. I'm going to press second table, and I have some perfect points here. Let's see. I'll start with -4, 1. So when x is -1, 2, 3, 4, y is 1. When x is -2, y is 2. When x is 0, y is 3. And we knew that that would be the y-intercept 0, 3 because we have plus 3 as our y-intercept in this equation. So I knew I was going to start where y is 3 and my slope is up 1 over 2. Is that what I did? Yeah, I went up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. It's kind of just a shortcut. Down 1 over 2 to the left. All right, I have my perfect points. It's an equation, so I'm going to connect them with a solid line. And I'll put arrows, or I can just make sure that my line is going through both ends of the grid. And I'm going to label this one y equals 1/2 x plus 3. Now for this one, it's asking me for a solution as well. The solution here, because both lines are solid, the solution is going to be where the two lines intersect. So that's this point right here. And that's when x is 2, right? 1, 2, and y is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point, 2, 4, is my only solution to this system of equations.